In the garden, it's always important to be thinking ahead, and today we're skipping 2 seasons to think about spring colour in the garden. And right now bulbs are available in the shops, and it's important to get them into the pots or into the borders so that your garden is full of colour come spring. Here's what to do. Most bulbs should be planted 2 or 3 times their own depth, so I'll be planting this one about this deep. Drainage is really important, so I usually put the bulbs on top of a few centimetres of gravel. Try a bulb lasagna with bigger bulbs like daffodils lower down and smaller ones like grape hyacinths planted above. And finally, I usually just top off my pots with a bit of gravel and then put in the all-important label so I know what I'm expecting to see come next spring.